Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going through a simple step-by-step guide to install the official ZINGCUT CNC cutting machine software on your computer. Let's get started right away. First off, you need to get the software installation file. Just reach out to our ZINGCUT sales representative or our after-sales support team, and they will send you the complete installation package. Second, download the whole installation package onto your computer. Once the download finishes, find the compressed file and extract all the contents inside. Next, open up the folder you just extracted. Inside, look for the main ZINGCUT application file. It's easy to spot with our signature letter Z logo on the icon. Right-click on that Z logo application file. In the pop-up menu, choose Send To, then select Desktop to create a desktop shortcut. That's all for installation. The ZINGCUT control software is fully set up now. You'll see its icon right on your desktop, so you can launch the program quickly whenever you need to operate your cutting machine. Now let's test if the software works properly by importing a drawing file. I'll drag and drop a DXF file of the ZINGCUT logo as our test example. One of the most common basic operations is switching lines to cutting attributes. Simply select all the lines you want to edit. You can either click the number 4 button on the software interface or directly hit the 4 key on your keyboard. The line settings will switch to cut mode immediately. Pretty simple process, right? This installation and basic editing trick won't take you more than a few minutes. If this tutorial solves your problem and you find it useful, please follow our channel. Hit the like button and drop your questions or thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any further technical or purchasing inquiries, send an email to info@zingcut.com. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next guide.